Feast or famine is a great way to describe the winter so far in Crested Butte. If you take a look at the black line on this graph, which represents the snow water equivalent for the Gunnison Basin, you can see our slow start to the season in October and November quickly changed with a very wet December. But since the start of the first of the year, it has been relatively dry and cold, and this has had a significant impact on our snowpack. Let's take a look at some of the changes in the snowpack during January and look forward to see what changes we can expect as snow is in the forecast this week. The January dry spell has allowed the avalanche danger to hover around low level 1 of 5 for the past 2 weeks. But during this time frame, the snowpack has slowly changed. Seasonably cold temperatures and clear nights have allowed the faceting process to weaken the snow surface on the north half of the compass. Over the past 2 weeks, loose dry avalanches have become increasingly common and have slowly grown in size, as you can see from these images. With each successive cold and clear night, the surface loses strength and grain sizes increase in size, as you can see in this image. Persistent weak layers are now widespread at the surface and will be a poor foundation for any incoming snowfall. Let's take a look at the forecast for the next storm arriving Tuesday afternoon, lasting through Wednesday. Weather models currently show 6 to 12 inches of snowfall between Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday evening, favoring the east side of the forecast area, which is not typical. Even though this storm does not look particularly impressive, given our very weak snow surfaces, you're going to have to change your travel habits and terrain choices of the past few weeks to match the changing conditions. Be sure to head to cbavalanchecenter.org to stay up to date with the changing conditions over the next few days.